Hey guys, it's me Ram here, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Yuxin Little Magic 5x5M. Here we are, here's the cube and another wristband and the invoice. I spot Kevin Hayes. First turns out of the box, it's very dry and sandy, but it's nice and fast, and that's what I like about this puzzle. It comes very nice and fast out of the box. Overall, I am getting some minor catches on this thing, but it's not too bad. As for the magnet strength, outer layers are nice and strong, and the second layers are also quite strong. Yeah, overall this puzzle feels great. The only other 5x5 I have is a Chi Wooshwong that's lubed with oil, and it's really bad. So this is like a big improvement from that, and overall I'm really enjoying this puzzle so far. Yeah, overall after putting some silk, this puzzle's feel has definitely dampened a bit and it's become a tad bit faster. Actually, it's become a bit too fast for me right now. I need to learn how to control this puzzle, and it's also a bit catchy. Let's take a look at corner cutting, which is not so great right now. It's only like this much, barely, and the second layer, yeah, about the same, and this one. Yeah, corner cutting is not as great as I expected, but overall the puzzle turns quite nicely and I'm quite impressed with it. So overall this 5x5 is pretty great. If I go to VJTI, I'll definitely end up competing in this event. So for my first impression, I'd give this cube a 9 out of 10. So that's about it for my unboxing on the Yuxin Little Magic 5x5M. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and bye.